Morning and welcome back to our online class, right children? So as in the previous class we had done the types of plants, right? We had done the types of plants. So today we are going to do the new topic, that is edible parts of the plants. Edible parts means what? Those parts of the plant which we eat as a food, fruit, vegetables. Okay, so first of all, edible parts of plants. Certain parts of the plants are edible. Edible means what? Those parts of the plant which we can eat, right, and are used as food items. Food item means what? Food. All the food we are human beings as well as animals, we eat, right? So edible parts of the plants are those parts of the plants which we human beings and animals eat in the form of food, right? So number one, stem. Stems of certain plants are swollen and sometimes juicy as they store food. We eat no sugarcane juice, that is also a part of the stem. Okay, that is also a stem that we eat, we human beings. What we do, the food which is stored inside that stem, we crush them and make a juice, right? That is also the food. That is also the very good example of the parts of the plant, that is stem, which we human beings eat as a food. Edible stem, right? Stems of certain plants are swollen and sometimes juicy as they store food. Plants such as sugarcane, potato, ginger store food in their stems. These plants such as your sugarcane, potato, ginger, what they do? They store food in them, okay, in their stem. These stems are eaten as food. Yes or no, children? We eat sugarcane, yes. We eat potato, yes. We eat ginger, yes. These all are what? These all are the stems of the plants that we human beings as well as animals eat. Okay. Next, roots. You remember when you talk about roots, carrot, radish, what? These all are the roots. Yes or no? Okay. Roots of such plants such as carrot, turnip, radish, beetroot are thick and fleshy because food prepared by the plants is stored in them. We eat these roots as vegetables. Yes, you remember that when we studied the types of fibrous root and taproot. That time also we have discussed, no, that some roots store food in their root that we human beings eat. Yes or no? Those food which we eat as a food are what? Radish, carrot, beetroot, etc. Okay, these are the parts of the plant also, that is root, stem, that we eat. Okay, there are still few more parts of the plant that we eat. Let us discuss one by one. Okay, next, leaves. This is a very common thing. Leaves in the form of what? Spinach, sag. We talk, no, sag we eat. All those are what? Those are the leaves of the plants. So it is also a part of the plant that we human beings eat. That is also known as edible part of the plant. Okay, so let us discuss this. What is it? Alright, most plants prepare and store food in their leaves. Leaves is the main food factory or the kitchen of the plant. Yes or no? So the leaves prepare food and store food in them, and we human beings, what we do? We eat those leaves. The leaves of such plants such as spinach, cabbage and lettuce can be eaten raw or cooked. Now, sag, yes or no? Then you can see patta kopi, you know patta kopi? Yes. Cabbage. Okay, that also we eat. Yes or no? Those are what? Those are the parts of the plant, that is leaves, which we eat. Okay, which are edible. Alright. Next, flower. The flower of some plants are food. The flowers of some plants store food and are edible. Edible, why? Because we eat the flowers of that food, of that plants. Okay. The flowers of some plants store food and are edible. Cauliflower and broccoli are flowers that we eat. Okay. Cauliflowers and broccoli are the flowers that we eat. Right? Okay. Now, next we talk about fruits. The fruits of some plants are edible. The fruits, when you talk about fruits, the fruits of some plants are edible. Banana, mango, orange, pear and guava are the fruits that we eat. Very simple. Fruits. We eat fruits every time. Every day means not every day, every seasons of the month means throughout the year. Throughout the year we eat fruits one or the other. Sometimes we eat apple, sometimes we eat mango, then other season we eat what, orange, then other seasons so and so, right? That means what, throughout the year we eat the fruits. Okay, next, seeds. Next is what, seed. The seed of some plants are edible. All seeds are not edible. No. Can we eat mango seeds? No. Right? So, seeds. The seeds of some plants are edible. Edible means some seeds are eatable. We can eat the seeds also. Right? Example, rice, wheat, maize, barley, kidney beans and chickpeas are the different types of seeds that we eat. These are the examples of the seeds that we can eat. Like the seeds of some plants are edible. Rice, wheat, maize, barley, kidney beans. Kidney beans means what? You know, rajma. Rajma, other name is kidney beans. Okay. Kidney beans and chickpeas are the different types of seeds that we eat. The edible seeds of the plants such as rice, wheat, maize and barley are called the cereals. Cereals means what? Cereals means those seeds which we can eat. Like the edible seeds of plants such as rice, wheat, maize and barley are called cereals. These are called what? Cereals. Okay. The seeds of wheat are used to make flour. Flour means atta. Flour means what? Atta. Okay, atta. We in order to make chapati, what we need? We need this flour, atta. Yes or no? This atta or flour is made with the help of wheat. Okay. Wheat are taken to the machine. They become powder, and white powder, that is atta. Then with that atta we make chapati. Then we eat as a roti. Yes or no? All right. The seeds of wheat are used to make flour. Different types of breads are made from this flour. With this flour, atta, what we do? We can make that maida also, atta also, and with the help of those, what we can do? We can prepare breads. We eat in the early morning breakfast. Yes or no? Breads. Those are made with this flour. Not the ground flour. No. F-L-O-U-R. That is F-L-O-O-R. Okay. Difference between flour and flour. That is the base of the house. But flour means atta. Okay. Alright. Cereals are also called food grains. These cereals, they are also what? They are also known as food grains. Why? Those are the food that we eat. These are in the form of seeds. That's why food grains. Right? Okay. Next. The edible seeds of plants such as green gram, kidney beans and chickpeas are also called as pulses. Pulses. These are all what? The edible seeds of plants such as green gram, okay, then kidney beans, then your chickpeas are called pulses. Okay. The next we have nuts. Nuts, that are also the edible parts of the plants. When we talk about nuts, okay, nuts. The edible parts of some fruits and the seeds are eaten as nuts. Okay, the edible parts of some fruits they also have seeds inside them. Those seeds which we can eat, that are known as nuts. The edible part of some fruits and the seeds are eaten as nuts. Badam, you know badam, those are also the seeds. Okay. Most nuts have a hard shell covering them. They have a hard shell which are covering the nuts, keeping the nuts safe. Okay. Some common nuts are cashew nuts, almonds and walnuts. Cashew nuts, almonds and walnuts. These all are the nuts that we eat. So, what are the things that we have discussed today? We have discussed the edible parts of the plants. Edible parts of the plants which are stem, root, then your leaves, flower, fruits, seed and nuts. That means most probably all the parts of the plant we are eating. Those are edible. Right? Okay. So I hope this much will be enough for today, and in the next class we will do more things, more products of the plants. Okay? Thank you.